Okay, so I'm coming to page number 48 in your books. In your book, page number 48. And now let's see what is passé composé. And we have already seen this one. So, le passé composé, the compound past tense. Okay, dans cette leçon, in this lesson, on fait le verb avec être. We do the verbs with être. So in this lesson, we will only use the verb être. Okay, so the formation of this tense, like we have already done 5 tense, same subject plus être plus participe passive verb. It means past participle of the verb. So there are some verbs which are being conjugated with être, le verb qui se conjugue avec être. The verb who are conjugate with être. So you can see here a group of 14 verbs use the present tense of être. So there are 14 group of verbs who use the present tense of être. Okay, so it means être will be used with these. Monte, être will be used with reste. Okay, monte means to jump, reste means to remain, sortir means to go out or to leave, venir means to come. Okay, être will come. Okay, like we have learned in the lesson, le film ka j'ai vu, I have seen a film. Okay, so I have, there was have, but with these certain verbs we will use être, to be. It means is, am, when, like this. Aller, naître, descendre, entrer to enter, descendre to go down. Okay, retourner. Okay, tomber, to fall, rentrer, arriver, mourir, partir, and plus le verb pronomino with pronominal verbs. These verbs are usually known as MRS van der Tram. So if you want to learn these verbs, there are some code. Mrs. van der Tram, you can use that formula. M for this, R stand for reste, and S stand for softy, like this. So this is the formula given in your book to make you understand. Okay, now let's go through some examples which is given in your book. Okay, and in which the first one is je suis venu. Je suis venu, it means I came. Okay, second one, il n'est pas parti. Okay, so he is not gone, he is not left. Okay, je me suis lavé. Okay, I washed. Okay, tu ne t'es pas couché, you did not go to bed. Okay, now you can see le participe passé, so the past participle of some verb. So we are talking about er verb, which is the first group of verbs. For this group of verb, if you want to make it in past participle, you will remove the ending er. Okay, and then you will put aigu, a. Like you can see, rentre means come back. Okay, sorry, go back. Okay, and then past participle you will remove er and you will use this one. So it will become rentre, whose meaning will be went back. Then venir, for venir, venue. For certain verbs you need to learn. Partir, parti. Mourir, mort. Se taire, taire. Entrer, entrer. Sortir, sorti. Naître, né. Descendre, descendu. S'asseoir, assis. Like this, we make past participle. Okay. Now, I am coming to this one. Accord avec le sujet ou passé composé. Agree with the subject to past compound sense, compound past tense. On apporte le participe passé du verbe un genre et un nombre. Okay, we agree the participle past of verb in gender and noun. Gender, noun, sorry, masculine, feminine, and number, plural, singular, plural. So when the passive composer is formed with être, the past participle acts as an adjective. Okay, when the passive composer is formed with être, the past participle acts as an adjective. Okay, so if you have a feminine subject, the doer of the verb, you must also have a feminine past participle. So even for past participle, you will make it feminine. So you can see je suis allé, masculine is there, he will say till here. If feminine will say I went, je suis allé, he will use one extra e. In the same way, tu es allé, il est allé, elle est allée, nous sommes allés, vous êtes allés, ils ont allé, elles ont allé. Next, for example, elle s'est levée tard. Okay, elle s'est levée tard. For levée, you can see one extra e is added because of this subject pronoun which is feminine. Okay, the next one, il ne sont pas sortis. Okay, for plural as it added here because this is third person plural. Then nous ne sommes partis avec nos amis. Okay. Okay, and next one is elle est née le 15 janvier. Fine. So ils ne sont pas sortis, they did not go out. Okay. Fine. So we are done with this page. Also, and I think